What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just wanted to do a short little update on the 370. I recently installed coilovers. I like the way it looks now. It's sitting about an inch to 2 inches lower than previously. Drives a lot better. The only problem that I'm having with these coilovers right now is they're squeaking. So I'm going to figure out if they need more grease or what the problem is. If you guys have had this issue before with your 370, please leave in the comment below. Let me know what you did to fix it. But I'm going to work on it right now to figure out what's going on. Other than that, more upgrades that I'm going to do to this car. New side skirts, probably going to get new side skirts, new fenders, new wheels, and a full tome. And I think after that, this car will be done, it will be finished, and it will be the way that I want it to be. That's it for the 370 today. Just wanted to update you guys. And another POV with the Cayman is coming soon. I know you guys enjoyed watching that video, so I'm going to make another one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.